Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send invoice on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can actually head over to your settings option right here. So click on settings, and then from in there, you should be able to see this left sidebar. So just scroll down until you reach these notifications. Click on notifications, and then from in there, you should be able to see this customer notification. So click on this, and then from in there, you scroll all the way down until you reach this order invoice. So click on this order invoice, and then in here, you can actually see what is the preview of this. So for example, the payment due is 502.18. This will look like this, as well as the order summary of what you have purchased and the amount to pay, as well as the customer information. Now you can click on this send test right here and click on send in order to send a test email for the invoice. So let's head back in here, and then let's refresh our Gmail, and over you can see the invoice that we have created for this. You can click on this pay now option right here in order to pay this one, in order to pay the due that we have. But as you can see, this will not work since this is actually just a test invoice. So if an actual customer actually tried to order from you, they will receive an order invoice together with that. In order to edit it, you can click on edit code, and you should be able to edit it using all of this coding right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.